Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix yellow screen on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Many devices offer a night mode or blue light filter feature that reduce the amount of blue light emitted by the screen. This can result in a yellowish tint, which is intended to reduce eye strain and improve sleep quality by reducing the exposure to blue light. So how to fix that? First, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. And then here you can tap on display option. Okay, and then here you can select Eye Comfort Shield. After that, turn it off by pressing this button. Okay, so now the yellow screen on your device is successfully removed. That's the tutorial on how to fix yellow screen on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.